Okay, here we go, part 2 of trying to get to the top of the front right shock to install it. So let's see, what do we take? Let's see, we still didn't get the whole housing system out at all. Another bungee cord to hold up this complete housing that I still can't get out. Unclipped every clip, every wire harness. And power steering, because that was underneath that, so you couldn't lift it to get it out, like completely disassembled and lifted this housing that runs from the back of the engine to the front of the engine. And I was determined not to cut a hole through the bottom of the fuse box. Just, again, not a mechanic, but didn't seem real smart to allow water to get up in there. So it's lifted enough to get my hands in there. And look at that. I can actually get my hands up in there. Got a nice new bushing. Can't really see. I'll try and zoom in again. There's the top of the shock that the nut needs to go on, and then on top of that, which you can't really see, but that's where the Allen key is going to go, so I can tighten it all down. But at least I can get my fingers in there, and I can get my fingers in here and get the washer on there, and didn't cut the housing. But absolute disaster. And if I ever buy another Jeep or a new Jeep, that'll be the first thing I look at before I make the purchase. How easily you can get to very simple, common things that need to be replaced. So, okay, let me get at it, and hopefully I get this put back together without any missing parts or without any extra pieces. All right, Considine out for now.